Samsung Washing Machine 3E2 Error Code Troubleshooting Guide Solution. Switch off the appliance at the power board, then wait 30 seconds. Switch on the appliance and start a new program.